basically the... All right, so I'm just gonna give a little bit of information about these. This is a newer Honda Odyssey. This is a 2012. This is all one piece. So the older ones, this is a two-piece where it separates right here. This carrier bearing shaft. This is, you know, its own piece. And then this has a snap ring that it clicks on. So on like a older one, I want to say like 99 to like 05, 06, this is a two-piece. And then on the newer ones, 06, I think all the way up until now, like I said, this is a 2012 and this is all one piece. But I believe even like the new 2020s and stuff they're all one piece exactly like this. It might not be the exact same part, but they're one piece like this. So just a little bit of information for you. So if you're sitting there trying to like beat the shit out of this and trying to get them to separate, then that's not gonna work. All right, so this axle is a little different than the one in the previous video. They actually sent me one for a touring. It was ordered wrong. So this one looks a little different, but it's very identical. Only difference is the axle shaft on the end is a little bit bigger and it's a little bit longer. That's basically all you have to do to install it. You can see these bolt holes are lined up here. Put two bolts in and that will attach there. Clearly tell someone's been there. Forgive the music, we're a bunch of gangbangers in here. A bunch of white people in a tire shop, a bunch of gangbangers. Pretty much it. Torque the axle nut to 242 foot-pounds. That's it.